Today I would just like to talk about some interesting subject which I always find fascinating, which is the modal analysis of structures. That means we are trying to understand the dynamic behavior. And what I find most interesting is looking at the animation created by the modal analysis. And that animation actually gives us a lot of understanding. It's also fun to watch, but at the same time, we can learn a lot from watching a very good animation of the modal analysis by looking at various modes and mode shapes and from various directions, trying to identify the higher modes and the primary modes and so on. So we have created this short video which shows the animation of the modal response of tall buildings, typical tall buildings. So the building is about 40-story high, and we are looking at it from two different angles, two different sides, the long side and the short side. And we are looking at various modes, starting from the first three modes, which is the first three primary modes: translation in one direction, translation in another direction, and the torsion. And then we also look at the higher modes in each direction, second modes and the third modes. And they are animated and compared and superimposed so that we can see how they relate to each other. You can also see how slowly or fast each mode is moving. And the idea is to give us an understanding how the buildings, typical tall buildings, would behave if they were left to oscillate in their natural environment independently. Of course, actual buildings, the movement is a combination of these modes, but here we are trying to isolate them and show them how each mode will look like. So I hope you find it interesting and you learn from it, and we will have a lot more discussion about the modal analysis in other publications and videos. Thank you.